Hello and welcome to this instalment of Talkin Trim. I'm Jonathon Skinner and today we are looking at the Retrim kit for the centre console H-frame in the Triumph TR4As, TR5s, TR250s and TR6 models. So the Retrim kit itself is exactly the same for all of those cars, however the H-frame does differ, as I'm sure you're all aware. This is an example of an H-frame here. This is actually out of a TR4A. It's the original one, obviously a bit worse for wear, which we'll get to. And this is the material retrim kit for it. So it's a sewn cover. We can offer it in vinyl or leather, and obviously in a variety of colours. Now, this is the area we're talking about here. So it's the support bracket that goes over the tunnel in the car. We refer to it as a centre console. H-frame is often used in the lingo as well. It's where the gear stick comes out of. And so yeah, originally they were always a black moulded plastic, as per this one here. We offer a Retrim kit in either vinyl or leather and in a variety of colours. Now the Retrim kit does have to feature some top stitching detail, just the way the cover is made, which isn't strictly speaking original, but it does add a nice detailing to the car as well. So we sell a lot of these either to spruce up your original unit, as in this case, or if people are changing the complete colour of their interior. A lot of people like to change the whole dash area to a different colour. We do Retrim kits for all of the lower crash pads, dash tops, switch plinth, etc. So it ties in nicely with those, which is certainly a nice feature. Yeah, so it's a sewn Retrim kit. We've been making them a long time. My father's owned a lot of these later Triumphs. He's got a TR5, which is pride and joy, and so we developed this pattern, or rather he developed this pattern many years ago, and we've sold hundreds upon hundreds since. They work absolutely great. Now moving on to this area here, obviously we have used a filler to smarten this area up here. It's I still don't think it's going to be smooth enough in that area there for us to just go over the top. Now traditionally you just go over the top with your vinyl leather, but you've always got to make sure that this is in good enough condition, because gluing over the top with just the material, you're always going to see little dents and divots in there showing through. So you do really want to make sure that it's in good condition. Now filler works to a certain extent, but it really does depend on the condition of the units. This one wasn't in great condition, as you can see, so we then do offer a foam kit which you can use to basically give it that smooth finish prior to putting the material cover on there. So fairly self-explanatory. You've obviously got the archway bit which goes over the main bit there, and then you've got three pieces which go over this nose section here. You want to be making sure that with this nose section that the join down these left and right channels here meet up very neatly and are consistent from left to right, and that's going to be your basis for where you line up these seams here. So I'm going to be doing a video shortly that shows this unit fully trimmed up with that material there, so be sure to tune in for that one. In fact, I might try and do a follow-on from this video here.